Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Honourable Gikaria has already wasted my time and is a good friend of the rights and freedoms is stipulated very well in our Constitution. The right to demonstrate, to associate, to picket, to do all that is well clear in our Constitution. Mr. Speaker, however, that doesn't give the guarantee to at least go out of our way to disturb the peace of Kenyans. There is limit to every right, in as much as they are clear in Article 19 and 37. That doesn't give anybody the immunity to destroy people's property, to go for the lives and limbs of Kenyans. Kenyans have done an election. We are just out of an election, Mr. Speaker. The election was conducted very well. There were people who were agitated. They went for an appeal. I am talking within the framework of our law, Mr. Speaker. It's not a matter of being heckled. There was a petition, and the Supreme Court has pronounced itself, and there is the 5th president of this republic, William Samoei Ruto. This is undisputed. When you listen to why there should be demonstrations, I read a lot of hypocrisy. Why do I read hypocrisy? They talk of expensive life for Kenyans. 6 months into the presidency, these were things perpetrated by the former regime. A relationship between his excellent... Let me speak. I'm on the floor and the speaker gave me the permission.
Proceed.
I am on the floor kindly.
Proceed.
6 months ago, just 6 months ago, there was a government in power, a relationship, an uncalled for, ungodly relationship between the opposition and the government of the day, joined hands to mess the economy of this country. I can honestly tell you, the former president, Uhuru Kenyatta, could not actually clear the menace of jiggers in Kiambu County. He could not fix the problem of our economy. I can tell you the opposition went to bed. The opposition went to bed unconstitutionally with the government. Here today they are telling us it is William Samoei Ruto who has messed the lives and livelihoods of Kenyans. That's an unfair accusation on the president. Mr. Speaker, I have seen we will only realize peace if only we will do one thing. Unless we will put in our laws that there will be free and fair elections only and if only Rao wins elections. That is when we will have peace. Otherwise, we can't be taken for granted. We can't always have... Police do not have the pleasure to tear gas people. Somebody somewhere must be on the wrong side of the law. They don't have the pleasure. And let me tell you, they were on record. They carried themselves with so much civility on 20th. Mr. Speaker, they handled the demonstrations very well. All I want to say, look at elites like Professor Makau Mutua on his article on Sunday, trying to explain that the sovereign, the highest office on land, is with the people of Kenya. I do agree with him. I do agree with him that a poor interpretation of the law, Mr. Speaker, you are a lawyer, sovereign power is delegated. It is delegated direct, it belongs to the people. It is delegated to, let me speak kindly. I'm being interpreted, I'm being interfered, Mr. Speaker, and time is up. I can't finish. I can't finish, Mr. Speaker, my point. Kindly, I seek.
Proceed.
What I'm saying, the sovereign will is delegated directly or indirectly through the democratically elected people. It goes further to clause 3. What does it say? Sovereign power. Whether it's not talking of direct or indirect. Sovereign power is vested with the executive. So William Ruto is the de facto sovereign power carrier. That I can tell you for free. It is in law. You can't just attempt to march to the State House and claim that you are demonstrating. That is a coup.
Order.